everyone, how we doing, party people? Alright guys, I'm here to just let you guys know I bought this new product. It's Harbinger, the Road Trip 100 mobile sound system with the lights and the mic also. You could do some karaoke with that as well. It sounds great, so I figured out take my kids with me down the boardwalk at my local shore down here. So we're going over the few bridges rather, and just enjoy the view out there. It's horizon of the ocean right there. It's just perfect. You know, uh, so then we get to see some lighthouse from the bridge. And on the way, we're just going by the ocean. On the way, we see some deers. My kids love the deers. Oh my God, they love it. So just driving by there, and then we finally got to the boardwalk over here. So my kids, I give them the speaker. They just dragging around, and they listen to the music. It sound great. They listen to the music. They drag along. Sound is good. I mean, what more can you ask for it? It's just not so heavy. My little kid. She wanted to drag along with that. So it is a mobile mobile sound system with the lights on. So it's really great. So we're just calling a day at the beach because it's getting cold. So we're just heading home in our backyard. Put the fire pits on. My kids love to roast their marshmallows out there. We had a great time also, guys, with this speaker. The lights coming on right here, you can see it. It's awesome, sounds good. But anyway, I would recommend for you guys to get it, and I have the website address there. I could take a look at it, or you could go to local guitar center. Definitely check out those website up there that I posted up there as well. But anyway, guys, if you like this video, please thumbs up and like and subscribe if you could. I really appreciate that, and I will see you next episode.